Alex, sit right here. No, we're not playing the airplane game. Alex. Alex.
What?
Hello, sit down. You want back rub? Sit down right here. Quietly. Quietly. Come sit. You're hurting my feelings because now I feel like you don't want me to touch you. Are we doing videos?
YouTube.
Sit down. Sit down. Take my hand. Alex, concentrate, and take my hand.
Alex. Sit down.
Aerobics class. Okay, maybe lay down then on your stomach and I'll rub you. I'm gonna give him a back rub. It'll make him feel better. Yes, it will. I'll give you a back rub next. Alex, the neighbors are gonna get us kicked. You're gonna get us kicked out, and then we'll be moving on with you.
Oh, now I'll fucking kill him.
On the blanket. Lay on the blanket. Butthole. Butthole. Okay, listen. Alex, look at me. Over here. Lay on the blanket.
I don't even allow.
Alex.